Some months ago, I went to Manipur.
Revak lawa kalta khan Manipura te kahan kala.
And I could not believe what I saw.
Kahan bukatil oy ompo har katiya.
The idea of Manipur has been destroyed by the BJP.
Manipur kan tikha anti-chevek to the BJP ho yan.
It is no longer a state. It is now 2 states.
Kilai ki state pakata om chin ka. Tuna chuan state pathia omang antitani.
People have been murdered, women have been molested, babies have been killed, but the Prime Minister doesn't find it important to travel there.
Kilai tuar tu tam takte mai chia te le poi soi lo te an tuaran thina kara khian he kan Prime Minister puiro yan aiga tan ma ngai lo alu pola ti thak lo ni.
It's amazing to me that the Prime Minister and the government of India are so interested in what is happening in Israel, but not interested at all in what is happening in Manipur.
Kan Prime Minister te hi kan President te hi Israel thil thengi an boy pui em lai yan an ram chung ei Manipura thil thengi enga man ngai lo tungi amak kat tingol ani.
If you look at our national media, you will find story after story after story, talk show after talk show about what is going on in the Middle East.
Middle East thil theng chan chin hi India ram chan chin thedar tu zong zong ne la yan atam em mai ni.
But nobody in the national media speaks about what is going on in Manipur.
Amaro chu Indian national la chan chin thedar tu ho thang si nga yan Manipur chung chang thedar chak le thedar du pakhat man om loi makani.
Nobody is talking about the pain, the misery that has been caused there.
Khilaya mi pui ho tam takina tortlang an kalme ki zia thama pon ngai lo soi thama pon ngai lo amakan.
And I simply cannot understand why the Prime Minister has not visited.
Prime Minister pui po yan alahan kal lo hi makati top thei lo nia male.
It is something to be ashamed of that the leader of our union has not traveled to the state of Manipur after what has happened there.
India ramang reng ruang alal beredi sina aram chunga kati khop mayan boy ta kian voy te khat mala to lo hi thil mak top ani lomi.
And Manipur is just a symptom of the problem.
Tin Manipur kan mukhi thil dang dang tilang tu ayen tina mai ani hi ti thiang u.
You can see the same problem in a smaller form in many different parts of the nation.
India ram frang raga tle ma zogin ateng zo khau pula po hek tiang zong zui kan mu me kreng bokani.
People from minority communities feeling uncomfortable.
Nam tlem le tenau te ho chua tu na hian omdan atan hiat thiam thei talo ala omlu tuk to ni.
Tribal people feeling uncomfortable.
Tribal ho tan po hian om le thei na ni to lo re ani.
Dalit people feeling uncomfortable.
Dalit ho lo chutiang bok chu lo ni ya.
There is a oppression being carried out on the people of India.
India mi puite hi min lam chia min rap bet tlok tok hi ni kon mai ni BJP ho hian.
And I view it as an idea, as an attack on the idea of India.
India kan ti kan ngai dan chu mi kha aron be na hian kangai lo thei lo wa.
So what has happened in Manipur is of course an attack on the people of Manipur.
Chu wang chuan Manipura an torna zong zok hi Manipur te torna ani kan ti lo thei lo wanga.
But it is also an attack on the idea of India in Manipur.
Chu ba ka chuan India ram kan te kan ngai dan thina kha Manipura khian an rap chemek an ti chemek ani ti po a soi thei bokani.
It is the duty of every single Indian to protect every single religion, every single culture, every single language, every single tradition of this country.
India hian sarkar hian culture tinte nam tinte sakho tinte zong zong hi an zawaya hum hi mi an ani tol mai ni.